Transform ideas into stunning AI avatar videos in minutes. Simply type your script to get started. They look real. They post selfies. They have millions of followers. But here's the twist. They're not human. From virtual models to AI-generated influencers, digital humans are taking over social media, advertising, and entertainment. So what happens when the next big celebrity isn't made of flesh and blood, but pixels and code? Digital humans are AI-generated characters, realistic, lifelike, and often completely computer-made. Some are fully virtual influencers like Lil Miquela, Emma, or Shudu, while others are hyper-realistic avatars powered by advanced 3D modeling and machine learning. They can smile, talk, model clothes, or even collaborate with real brands, all without ever aging, sleeping, or asking for a pay raise. So why are companies investing in virtual personalities? Because AI influencers are always on brand, scalable, and drama-free. They don't post controversial opinions or miss deadlines. Their image can be customized for every campaign, audience, or platform. For brands, that's marketing perfection. But for real influencers, it's competition that never sleeps. And it's not just fashion or lifestyle. AI avatars are now hosting shows, presenting products, and even giving TED-style talks online. But here's the big question. Can people truly connect with something that isn't human? Some followers say yes, because digital humans can represent ideals, diversity, and futuristic creativity. Others worry it's a step toward fake authenticity, where even our idols are generated by algorithms. As AI becomes more advanced, the line between virtual persona and real personality is blurring fast. So, are AI influencers the future of fame? Maybe not a replacement for humans, but definitely a powerful mirror of us. They show what happens when creativity meets technology, and when identity itself becomes something we can design.
Your digital host.
Real might mean something completely different. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time as we dive deeper into the fascinating world where humans and AI co-create the future.